The next day,
Welcome back to the channel. Mad Brad's Customs here. There's a beautiful Shadow Edition 2017. I think it's got 37,000 some miles on it. It is for sale, yeah. We decided to go away from the GT, and that's why we are, sorry for the hand, fixing up the Explorer. Anyway, show y'all what breaks on these things and cause them to fall apart. In the rear timing chain is this little deal right here. Yep, when that breaks, it breaks that. This whole chain guide comes and falls all apart in here, causes the chain to act up, and you can see the newer models come with not just plastic but a steel sleeve to kind of help support it, because this goes through a hole at the back of the block and screws into the back of the block, and that rides onto that shaft. Anyway, alrighty, we are putting the 4.2 back together. You see my other videos, you know we went with fixing the block, had the sleeve number 6, clean the block up, put new crank in with new mains, new rods in with new rod bearings, and new rings. And we sent the heads off, and they have been reworked. Alright, moving right along. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Mad Brad's Customs. We are out.